Okay, it's Tuesday, May 10th, 2022, and the terrorist weather controllers who are controlling our weather here in this country have scheduled a heat wave for Saturday and Sunday, and in preparation for that, all the natural clouds that we had in the skies this morning that were streaming in from the tropics have been sprayed over just like clockwork, just like every time. We've been reporting these events for years. You see the skies are fairly clear to the north over these mountains, which I'm not going to show. Looking out to the east, we can see the moon there and a couple of trails that were sprayed about an hour ago. They've blown to the east. Two of them, two big dashed lines, which continue over there. And then out here, you see this strange pattern. These guys are doing horseshoe patterns today, May 10th. And so the barometric pressure is up over 30 inches today. It was down around 29.82 just a couple of days ago. Yesterday it was fairly low as well. So there it is, mid-90s by Saturday and Sunday. Should be having cool temperatures and rain from the tropical flow, which is coming right out of about 25 degrees north latitude, right out just north of Hawaii. Okay, that's it for now.